To add your stimuli, we'll choose the specific level and object, the level of happy left male and the object target image. In the Object Properties menu, scroll down to the image file icon. Clicking on it opens the dialog box where you can upload your stimuli. You can create a file within the directory to stay organized. Right-clicking on the folder allows you to upload your stimuli. Clicking on it opens the dialog box where you can upload your stimuli. You can also manage your stimuli and media via the Files tab. Now, you can select the stimuli for the happy male condition, since that's the condition we are actively editing. Select the option to create as many trials as files selected. Here, you can drag and drop the files to the specific trial. Opening the specific condition, you can see the trial number increased and the target images are there. Moving on to the next condition, choose the specific level and object, the level of happy left female and the object target image. Now select the target image stimuli and choose how you want to assign the files to the trials by selecting Create as many trials as stimuli selected. Instead of drag and drop, you can also use the Auto Assign option. Opening the second condition shows the target images for each trial. Going back to the first condition, select the neutral image to upload stimuli to act as distractors. Auto-assign these files to the existing trials we already created. Previewing the specific trials under the condition shows they are ready. Quickly repeat the process for the other condition. And again, we take a look at how the specific trials will look for the happy left female condition. Now we will do an example where the target image is on the right side. We select the relevant condition and the target image object, and proceed to uploading and auto-assigning the target stimuli. You can now preview the relevant trials. Select the condition again and the neutral image object. Proceed to assign the stimuli to the trials again. Please note here that the condition value, 7, matches what is selected in the conditions table on the left. We will now continue the process to upload the stimuli to all the remaining conditions.